This way? Take the long way around. I'm going to sneeze. I have to mute my microphone. Simply cannot sneeze on camera. I don't have a cute sneeze. Who'll be disappointed. I wish I had the cute sneeze. But doing it on this island. Oh no, I have to sneeze. Blah. I didn't mute it. I thought about muting it. I was holding back. I'm not gonna release my full sneeze power. Have anymore. I sneezed finally. For garlic? Excuse me. Bless me. Excuse me. I've been sneezing so much lately. Bless me. Excuse me.